How often you listen to music?
Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock, isn't it?
Yes.
By the way, my name is G. Nice to meet you.
My name is Dung. Nice to meet you too.
May I ask you some questions about your personal hobbies?
Sure, go ahead.
Firstly, about music. You like music?
Yes, of course. I like it very much.
Very much.
Yes.
Do you usually listen to music?
Yes, I do. I usually listen to music.
How often you listen to music? To music?
Pardon?
How often you listen to music?
Every day. I listen to music every day.
Every day?
Yes.
What time do you usually listen to music?
At 7 o'clock. I usually listen to music at 7 o'clock in the evening.
At 7 o'clock in the evening?
Yes.
How long take you to listen to music each day?
About 30 minutes. It takes me about 30 minutes to listen to music each day.
About 30 minutes.
Yes.
Who do you usually listen to music with?
Alone. I usually listen to music alone.
Alone?
Yes.
What kind of songs you like best?
Love songs. I like love songs best.
Rap songs?
Yes.
Where do you usually listen to music?
In my room. I usually listen to music in my room.
In the room?
Yes.
When do you usually listen to music?
Or when I feel sad. I usually listen to music when I feel sad.
When you feel sad?
Yes.
How do you usually listen to music?
On my mobile phone. I usually listen to music on my mobile phone.
On your mobile phone?
Yes.
Do you prefer English songs, Vietnamese songs, or Korean songs?
English songs. I prefer English songs.
English songs?
Yes.
Which songs do you like best?
I like trying my lab best.
Do you think that listening to music while studying is a good idea?
Yes, I do. I think that listening to music while studying is better
Why do you think that listening to music while studying is a good idea?
because it helps me to relax so I can remember things better.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, see you later.